Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the trains in Jamaica. Now these trains are operational. These are the ones that carry the students between Spanish Town and Old Harbour and Bogwalk. I'm not sure if they go as far as Linstead. But this is the train that's operational. There are actually two. This is the Spanish Town train station. And this is where they park the trains when they're not being used. The schools are not in operation now as it's still summer, so this is where they park them. Now we're going to go inside the train and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside one of these train cars. Now Jamaica is trying to restart its train service for passengers. The trains run for the companies, the bauxite companies, etc. And the trains run on a limited basis to carry students. But they are trying to set back up the passenger train service. Now, a train line between Kingston and Montego Bay definitely, the lines are there already, but a train to run from Kingston to Montego Bay is needed. But I don't think it's these trains. That's a Spanish Town train station there. It's not operational. I really hope when they set back up the passenger service, they get some new train cars, because these have definitely done their time. So this is what the inside looks like. And these are the ones that the students use. And also when you look at some of these train stations, they definitely need to be rebuilt. This works, but definitely need some newer cars when they start up the service for passengers. Well, I need it for the children too, but I guess this is what they have now. But going forward, definitely need to change these cars. The train service started in Jamaica in 1845, and I wouldn't be surprised if these are the cars that they started with. But one thing is for certain, the train is needed in Jamaica. Even if we don't have the island-wide train service like what we did before, we definitely need a train service between Kingston and Montego Bay, and we definitely need one for Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. It would make a huge difference. And the train lines are there already. The trains need some upgrading. The train stations need to be demolished and rebuilt. But the most important thing is the train lines are there. Maybe one or two bridges might need to be upgraded, but the lines are there. All the land that the train tracks run on is owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. This is the outside of the car now. As you can see, definitely need some newer cars. Alright guys, just showing you what the trains look like in Jamaica today. And as I said at the beginning, these trains are functional. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about if they're replacing these cars and demolishing these train stations and rebuilding them. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.